Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay someone in Splitwise 2025. Splitwise is a popular expense tracking and bill splitting app that allows users to easily split bills and track expenses with friends and family. To get started, you will need to have a Splitwise account and the app installed on your device. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for free on the Splitwise website or through the mobile app. First, open the Splitwise app and navigate to the group or trip where the expense is listed. If the expense is not already listed, you can add it by clicking the Add Expense button and entering the details of the expense. Next, click on the expense you want to pay and select the Pay button. You will then be prompted to choose the payment method you want to use, such as a credit or debit card, or a payment service like PayPal. Enter the payment amount and any optional notes. Then click the Pay button to complete the payment. The payment will be processed and the recipient will receive a notification that they have been paid. It is also possible to set up recurring payments in Splitwise, which can be useful for regular expenses like rent or utilities. To do this, navigate to the group or trip settings and select the recurring payments option. In addition to paying individuals, Splitwise also allows you to pay groups, which can be useful for splitting bills with multiple people. To pay a group, navigate to the group settings and select the Pay Group option. Best practices for using Splitwise include keeping track of all expenses, setting reminders for upcoming payments, and regularly reviewing your account activity to ensure everything is accurate. By following these steps and tips, you can easily pay someone in Splitwise 2025 and take advantage of the app's many features to simplify your expense tracking and bill splitting.